I'm super excited because we have joining us today a Serenity coach. This is an expert in serenity that's going to help women empower themselves to get from here through those hurdles. And I am super excited to have her here join me today. Denise Belisle. So Denise, welcome to our show today. How are you?
I'm very good. Thank you so much. I'm super excited to be here.
Any advice on how to help family members with grief of a lost family member who passed away?
I've experienced a lot of grief in my life, and I was just actually talking about that earlier with a grief expert. And we talked about for a person that would have lose a child or something like that, you can't change it, first of all. So yes, you're going to be sad. And yes, you're going to grieve the fact that little human being was not able to live the life that they were born to. But at the same time, you have to realize that you cannot stop living your own life because someone else's life has stopped. You have to be able to move forward with the good memories that you had with whomever, whether it's an elderly person or a young person that passed away. Go back to what was good about the relationship you had with that person. But remember that you, the person that is grieving, have so much more to live for, and that it's okay to move on. You're not going to disrespect whomever is left behind because you decide to move on. You're not going to dishonor them, and because you're not crying every day, you're the bad person. No, that's okay. It's okay to cry. I still cry. My mom died in 2009, and I could still now talk about her if I bring that emotion back, and I could still cry. It's okay, right? But do I need to? Does that bring me joy? Is that how she wants me to move on in my life, to be crying every day, thinking about her and missing her? No. And that's what the people that are gone, they don't want you sad. They want you happy. And give yourself the permission to move on and be happy for yourself and with the memories that you had with that person that passed away. And if you can't give yourself that permission yourself, I am giving you the permission to be happy moving forward and not to be sad constantly, and move forward and say, how can I, let's say, you could say also, how can I move forward by honoring them? What can I do with my own life to be happy and honor them? Do things for yourself to honor them. Like I have a girlfriend, she lost her son years ago, but every year at his birthday, she have a little cake and she celebrates him. And I say, hey, I love you, hon. You were gone way too quick, but I'm still remembering you and I honor you. And I'm happy that I had you in my life for that period of time.
Oh, that's beautiful. I do want to say I'm so sorry for your loss. I'm so sorry to you, Denise, for your mother. I learned a lot. I think we walked away with a bunch of really amazing tips. Denise, tell us where our listeners and our viewers can go to find you and learn more about your stuff.
Well, you have my name, Denise Belisle. So just search Denise Belisle, Serenity expert, and you'll find a whole bunch of stuff on me.
This was amazing. Thank you so much, Denise, for joining us today. And thanks everybody who tuned in. Because of you, we keep showing up week after week. And again, until then, please live a life of peace and serenity.
Thank you.